What's cooking tonight on a Camp Chef Woodwind? I'm going to be doing some New York strip, some prime New York strips. They're about 3/4 of a pound a piece. I don't know, what, 20-30 minutes ago I took them out of the fridge. 10 minutes ago I went ahead and seasoned them up. Some hickory sea salt, smoked hickory sea salt, salt and pepper. And once they're finished, I'll go ahead and dust them with Chicago steak seasoning. I do have the Camp Chef running right now on high smoke for probably the last 20 minutes. I'm using hickory pellets. I'm going to smoke these New York strips for probably about like 110, 115. And then I'm going to go ahead and finish them off on the flat top here using my steak weights, getting a nice sear on them. Alright, here we are. I got the steaks on. I'll go ahead and give you a quick peek. So you can see I do have the probe in the center of the meat, pushed in halfway into the center. Those are a couple of scraps I did trim off. And what I do have here is also some fat that I did trim off that I'll use on the griddle flat top when it comes time to searing them. I think we're coming up on 50 some minutes here. 54 minutes. I did turn the Camp Chef down to low smoke now. The meat came up to 132. I was thinking with the griddle and using the steak weights, it's going to sear up fast. So that's why I brought my internal temp up here a little bit. But right now I do have the flat top heating up with some canola oil on it. I will scrape clean and go ahead and get the steaks on it. Just turned it on a little while ago. We'll turn it up to high when the steaks go on. I did turn the woodwind down to shut down. Let's go ahead and take a look. Go ahead and put the fat down first. Cook the steaks in its own smoked fat. I did flip them. Give each a nice little press. Make sure they make a nice good contact. Alright, here we are. Let's go ahead and take a peek. Might as well lift them both, I think. Oh, look at that sear. Oh, nice. Very nice. Go ahead and go another minute here. Here we are, coming up on an hour and 11 minutes. The steaks had a chance to rest. Let's go ahead and cut into it. You can see that reverse sear provides a lot more of your desired done temp throughout the center and less of that gray area. These were prime New York strip steaks. I had them on high smoke on the Camp Chef Woodwind for 50 minutes. Then I went ahead and finished them on the Camp Chef Sidekick with the griddle and grill weights. Seared them probably each side for, I don't know, a minute, minute and a half. Thanks for watching, and go ahead and subscribe. And if you needed more information on Camp Chef, just go ahead and click on the link in the descriptions.